let us teach you how to do some of that.
I'll think about it.
I'll teach you how to do some pretty advanced stuff. My goal is to basically get your confidence up to where you don't ever have to take your van into the shop. You can do it yourself.
Well, George Keys, where I got it from, they know what they're doing. But
yeah, but you can be trained.
I would be willing to meet you halfway and put the Hyundai in Tracy's shop more.
Well, how about the minivan too? Because you'll find that once you do it your first time, then you feel like you're an old hand at it.
Let's see what we can do with the Hyundai first. We'll talk.
Okay.
Because
and when I teach you, I'm going to actually tell you how to do it, but you're going to be the
I'll
one
be the one with the tools, taking off this and putting. I realize that.
It's the best way to teach you. Just like Ken tonight, he sent our friends home with some homework.
Yes.
And that's the way I teach too. When I teach the Bible, sometimes I won't.
Well, Rhonda thinks the catalytic converter needs to be replaced in the Hyundai. I'm not sure it does.
What I'm trying to think.
I didn't notice any egg smell. She thinks she did, but I don't know.
We'll have to check it out.
I know the brakes need to be done.
But another symptom of that is depleted fuel economy or a significant buildup of back pressure. And I know a guy that will actually check that for back pressure, and he doesn't charge anything.
Well, we can do that because when I drove it, it got good fuel economy, and I mean more than 300 miles a tank.
Yeah, this one's getting about a little over 200.
So, if I was to just judge on the fuel economy, I'd say Rhonda might be mistaken. Because it gets good.
But pay attention to the fact that she's also very mechanically skilled.
I realize that.
So,
but when I drove the car, it had, I mean, when I'm saying good fuel economy, Mark, I mean better than minivan.
Oh, yeah.
And I know what good fuel economy is because I keep track.
Yep. And that's my mom sitting out there, I think. Wait,
why is she sitting out there?
Sometimes she likes to be out here at night.
Okay.
There she is. Hello. How are you? Okay, such as? It's on call forwarding when I'm busy or asleep. That's why. What's up? Okay. Well, we're all right. It's just I'm busy, and then I'm still fighting the sleeping hours issue, and that's it. That's it. Yeah. So, okay.
Yeah. Should I? Let me. You want her up here? Because I'll try and get in the back if I need to.
I'm sorry, I didn't hear.
I was asking your son where he'd like me to sit because me and Kimberly came with him to church tonight.
So. In the back. Okay.
All right.
Okay. Okay. You'll want to go in there? Okay. Okay. Well, I was going to call you anyway, but I just can't do it. I can't talk on the phone while I'm asleep or on the road. So. Yep, we're making progress, but a lot more progress needs to be done. So go ahead and hop on in.
I've got $2. Is that going to be enough for a pop?
It should be. They're $1.84 a piece for a large pop. So okay. I think it's indicating your door's open.
Yeah, I have it partly open.
Okay.
Didn't know if you'd want me to get out and open the door for your mom, so. And I didn't know if it was a private conversation, so.
No, we're good.
Okay.
Yeah, we're good.
Well, that's downright decent of her. Hey, there's an orange drink they have at Maverick that is just to die for, Kimberly.
Yeah, we'll have to keep it under $2 a piece, though.
Well, I can go with the smaller cups if that helps.
So, okay.
I'm not picky.